We weren't supposed to eat those. Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? I finally watched Squid Game. Oh my god. It was intense. I don't know if you can tell, I'm a fan. Wow, so many people died. Spoiler, sorry. Yeah, it's not for everybody. Definitely not for young kids. It was so hard to shield myself from the spoilers. I had to abandon the internet for a couple of days. In today's video, I'm gonna try to make the trending Squid Game DALGONA candy. Whoa! And let's see if I survive the cooking, because I'm certain that I'm not surviving the game. I probably wouldn't even reach the point where they take me in the game. That guy, yeah, he would be the one who kills me with slaps. But that was an intense one. I only need 2 ingredients, sugar and soda. So that should be easy. So listen, we're having some technical difficulties here. I had to move the whole cooking process in the kitchen because this little stove that I have, yeah, don't look at it acting all tiny and innocent. It's not. 2 minutes into my cooking adventure, it started smelling like trouble. And what I mean by that is burnt plastic. That's always alarming. Yeah, I decided to finish the work in the kitchen. I found out that if you start heating the sugar, not stirring, but heating, it's actually melting a little easier this way. I chose violence. I'm also PMSing a little, so that kinda explains a lot. It takes a while for the sugar to completely melt, but once it's ready, all I had to do is add the baking soda. And look how beautiful it is! Oh my god, it's so oddly satisfying. It turns into that very nice peanut butter color. So smooth, so creamy. This part unlocked a whole new level of anxiety for me, okay? I had to be quick and careful at the same time. But the problem is, I can only be either of those. Ow! Oh no, that's bad news. Ah, my god, it's so hot. Come on. This didn't make me nervous. Nope, not at all. I can keep on doing this all day, every day, and die tomorrow. Oops. Oh, that's actually nice. If I didn't burn it, it would have been even better. Well, guys, look, this is my first attempt. This looks like first attempt. This is my second attempt. It kinda cracked on its own. So this is a little helpful. It's quite sticky. No one tells you how sticky it is. And I'm dead. What? We weren't supposed to eat those? I'm gonna go make some more. Alright. I need to be quick. Every second is like super important. Alright, let's do this. Don't stick. Come on. Definitely don't touch this with your hands because they're like super hot. Alright, one is ready. Come on. No! Wow, I'm done. They're not perfect, especially this one over here. But everything is happening so fast, I don't have time to think. Ta-da! This one came out so much thinner. I think that this is exactly how thin they should be. Don't break. I put a heart shape in this one. I know that there is no heart shape in Squid Game, but I just thought that it's cute. And there also happened to be a hole in the heart. Do you think it wants to tell me something? And this one is a circle. Alright, let's see if I'm dying today. Oh no! This one broke! Are you serious?
Yeah.
How? Alright, let's see if I'm dying today.
A few moments later.
Oh no! Well, I wasn't that eager to find out, but thanks. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments if you had... If you had to choose between one shape and you didn't know what was the game, which one would you choose? Circle, triangle, star, or umbrella? I would probably choose the umbrella. Of course I would. Because blue is my favorite color. I'm not gonna spoil anything. I'm not saying anything, okay? Okay, so the heart also kind of cracked here. I get to live 3 more minutes. This is way harder than it looks. Come on, Danny. You can do this. Oops. That's okay. Not done yet. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hope that this is okay. Now it is. Hey, how is life going for you? Kids, wife, they okay? I'm dead. So far I've died 3 times and counting. I'm not done dying over here. Ow, I stabbed myself with this. If you guys haven't... What are we doing here? Oh no. Aren't you getting tired of this? I think they have something against me. There is no other explanation. I'm the one who made you. I'm your mother. They're breaking before I even touch them. Why are you cracking? I didn't say anything funny. Yet. You never know if they will break if you press a little too hard or if you press on the wrong spot. They're so unpredictable. Just like people. You never know when they will betray you, break your heart in pieces. Red looks really good on you. Look at you. It really brings out the color of your eyes. Oh, you remind me of someone. Hold on. Remember Among Us? Yeah? I found the imposter. I don't know if you can tell, I'm a fan. This is the best one I've done so far. It only took 5 tries. Oh my god, guys, listen. I don't think that you'll be able to hear it, but try. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear something like small bubbles popping in there. Shh, it's trying to tell me something. So maybe you're wondering, Daniel, what's this other shape? What's this other shape you made there? Well, this, my friends, is a tiger. Hear me out. I thought, and you heard it here first, okay? I thought, what will happen if we marry Tiger King? Remember Tiger King? Tiger King and Squid Game. I wasn't a huge fan of Tiger King. I didn't like it. Everything about it was so disturbing. Way too many characters I didn't like. Not that everything about Squid Game is rainbows and sunshines. No, it's quite dark. Even though the rooms are so colorful and cheerful, the theme is pretty dark. I like the contrast there. I see it. I notice it. Good job. Think about it. In both Squid Game and Tiger King, there are people that want money and they're ready to risk their life for it. So, anyways, now, guys, let's say I picked circle and I only have 1 chance. Wow, no pressure. No pressure, you know? Okay, time is on. Let's go. Mine is not thin enough on the back. I can't do the trick that they did. I want to tell you guys so many things about what I'm doing right now, but I really don't want to spoil it for anyone. Oh, something is happening. Something is happening. We have a breakthrough. There is a little hole there. Oh, this is so delicious. Sugar. It tastes like pure sugar and regret. I'm almost halfway through. With these last ones, I also got the consistency right. I think. By the way guys, if you watch Squid Game, if you haven't seen it yet and you decide to watch it, please don't watch it with English voiceover. That's the worst you can do. They didn't do a good job. It cracked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. If you can, watch it with English subtitles. Whoa. Okay. Still alive. No. Why? I didn't see that coming. I mean, I was expecting it, but I was also hoping for a different ending. Can I just try to... Come on, stick. Well, it looks like it's game over for me. Well, this didn't go according to the plan, but that's okay. That's fine. This is just caramel. It tastes like caramel. If you're wondering what it tastes like. Sugar. Lots of it. Yum. I really wanted to try out the DALGONA cookies. Candy. Sorry, this is candy. Can I try to crack the tiger? Oh, I cracked the head. It's not easy. Well, Squid Game was interesting. It was interesting series. I wanted to see more and more and more. I wanted to see how it will end. It was the only thing I was thinking about for a couple of days. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like I should give this warning over here. I don't think that kids should be watching it. I know that it's super trending right now. Everyone is talking about it, but it can get quite intense. Some scenes are a little too much, especially for kids. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't enjoy gruesome scenes. I just don't. It's the last thing I wanna see, it's the last thing I wanna watch. I enjoy comedies. Thank you. But yeah, some parts of the series, I was watching them like this. Dimitri, is it over? No. Oh my god. Now? No. Oh. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I was hoping that I'll be able to make it. I secretly had very high hopes and I was like, this is easy. I'm gonna be able to do it. But nah, you need to be super careful, not only when you're separating the shape, but also when you're cooking it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like this makeup look. I'm gonna have a short on it coming up soon. I promise. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, you already know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. You can also check out some of my other videos right here. Also, I have a second channel. Go and take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!